Good morning, children. I hope you are staying healthy at your home and obeying your parents. Today, I'm back with a new topic of EVS. Children, are you watching these videos? Yes? Very good. I hope you are able to understand all the topics with the help of these videos. In previous video, you have learned about importance of water and how do we save water. You know, water is essential for all living beings. But do you know where does water come from? We get water from rivers, lakes, springs, wells, streams, ponds, and tanks. These are known as the sources of water. There are two types of sources of water. First is natural sources and second is human made sources. Firstly, I will tell you about natural sources of water. Look at this first flashcard. Rivers, ponds, lake, ocean are some natural sources of water. These sources are filled by rainwater or by water from melting snow. When the snow on mountain tops melts, it flows down as water in the form of small streams. These small streams join to form rivers and lakes. Rainwater also gets collected under the ground, which is known as groundwater. Okay, now you will learn about human made sources. Where human made sources of water? Well, hand pump, tap, canals, and dams are some human made sources of water. Dams and canals store and supply water from lakes and rivers to other places. Water from these sources reach the pump house where it is cleaned and made fit for drinking. It is then sent to big tanks through pipes. We get the water from these tanks with the help of pipes and taps. Groundwater is also taken out for everyday use with the help of wells and hand pumps. Students, you have learned about sources of water. So can you tell me example of sources of water? Yes, ma'am. Tell me. River, pond, tap. Very good. Now we will draw sources of water. Let's start. Before starting it, make sure all the necessary things like pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale and notebooks with you. So let's start. Firstly, we will write the date here. Date. Date. Students, you have to write the date here. Now, we will write C dot W. C dot W means classwork. Now, we will write the subject on the top of the page. E dot V dot S. EVS. Now we will write the topic here. Today's topic is sources of water. So we will write here sources. First letter should be capital. We will write capital S. Rest of the letter will be small. Small O, U, R, C, E, S. Sources. Now we will write of. Take one finger gap. Write O, F, off. Now we will write the spelling of water. Take one finger gap. First letter should be capital. Write capital W. Rest of the letter will be small. Small a, T, E, R. Water. Sources of water. Now what will you have to do? You have to draw two lines like this with the scale. You can take help of your elders like grandparents, parents, brother and sisters. Students, now we have four boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. In first box, we will draw rain. So, start. Here we will draw a cloud. Draw a cloud here like this. Yes, we will draw another cloud here. Draw like this. Now we will draw small standing lines like this. Yes, draw with ma'am. Small standing lines. Yes, like this. This is rain. It is a natural source of water. Now in the next box we will draw a well. Let's start. Here we will draw a standing line like this. Same standing line we will draw here. Now join these two lines with the help of a sleeping line like this. Here we will draw a oval. Yes. Now we will draw sleeping lines like this. 1, 2, 3. Here we will draw small standing line like this. Small straight line. Yes. Now here we will draw a straight line like this. Same line we will draw here. Now these two lines join with the help of sleeping line. Here draw a zigzag line. This is a rope. People take out the water with the help of the rope and bucket. Draw here a bucket, two slanting line. Join these two lines with the help of sleeping line. Draw a oval here like this. Yes, like this. Draw. This is a well. It is a human made source of water. Now here we will draw a river. Draw a zigzag line like this. Yes, same zigzag line we will draw here. Yes, draw like this. Now we will draw small sleeping lines here. Draw small sleeping lines. Yes, now we will draw here grass like this. So it is a river. This is a natural source of water. Now in this last box we will draw a tap. First it draws standing line. Same standing line we will draw here. Join these two lines with the help of sleeping line. Here draw sleeping line. Now here we will draw two sleeping lines like this. 1, 2. We will draw two standing line here. Draw a oval here. Here we will draw a circle. Now draw two small circle sides of this big circle like this. Here draw straight lines, small straight lines. This is a tap. It is a human made source of water. Students, do practice at your home. Thank you.